morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you dey watch me from. My name na Comrade Lucky Orugbe. I be human rights activist. I dey report from Traders Welfare Union. Introduce yourself.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you dey watch us from. At this hour, my name still remain Comrade Ahmed Johnson, and we are reporting from Benin.
Yeah, thank you very much. My Edo people all over the world, una know say we promise una say we must continue to expose multiple taxation, multiple ticketing, bad market leaders that is promoting unions inside our market, bringing hardship to traders and buyers in Edo market. Today, we are fully out for Iya Egbe and Baba Egbe for inside our market wey make things dey cost. And this report, wey una wan hear from me so, it take us 8 years to do research, just to get the date and get some other facts wey we need before we will submit our petition. So today, we don finally kickstart about the 100 million naira when Adansaliu Oshomole give Madam Blackie Edo State Market Women Association, the leader, Madam Blackie, now Oshomole give the 100 million naira 2013 on the 25th of June 2013. So the matter be say I dey part of that process, and I know that 2013 he call me say abeg make I help am go round for inside market, make I announce to Edo market women say they wan receive Oshomole and Oshomole wan come see them for empowerment. So when I hear that empowerment, I do selfless job, humanitarian service, by going to all markets, 13 markets in Oredo, to go and announce that they should go to Imagwedo Hall for empowerment. Why this matter dey happen? Only New Benin market will carry 12 bucks to carry women go to Imagwedo Hall. I was not expecting 1 naira. I was not expect to be paid. Why we put that effort be say, since na empowerment, Madam Blackie Omorege measure, we needed to help the traders. Today, we don submit petition for EFCC. May I invite Madam Blackie Omorege for questioning. But before I go ahead to show the petition, first, Madam Blackie Omorege is a leader of Edo Market Women Association. Edo Market Women Association. That is association. Na im be the coordinator. But Madam Blackie Omorege failed to understand this, and the way where she come dey go now, she come dey think say all the traders for Edo State dey under am. No, it's just a coordinator of association. As I be president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, now so we get different association. So Madam Blackie Omorege is just a coordinator to Edo Market Women Association. But this 100 million naira were not given to Blackie Omorege to share for Edo State Market Women Association. No. The money was given to Blackie Omorege to share for Edo State Market Women. Take note, Edo State Market Women. not Edo State Market Women Association, when Madam Blackie Omorege share that money within the Edo Market Women Association, that is to say, he shared the 100 million naira for your association. Oshomole make the pronouncement, the statement, and how it bring the money come out. Una go soon hear and just now. So that 100 million naira, we want to know how many women, Edo Market women, benefit for Edo South. We want to know how many women benefit for Edo North. We want to know how many women, Edo Market women, benefit for Edo Central. Because that money now for the market women for the 3 senatorial districts. And Oshomole called that 100 million naira. He said tax free. He said tax free, interest free, and not refundable. They're not going to refund the money again. So we want to know the people where Blackie Omorege, Madam Blackie Omorege, we want to know the women for Edo State, for these 3 senatorial districts, where benefit for this empowerment. That is why we will continue to protest until the EFCC, ICPC, Edo State government do the needful. Yes, we want to know, because to my best of knowledge, inside New Benin market here, 13 markets in Orado, all the market in 18 local governments, we don't do research. Now make this matter perish like this. We never see one woman where benefit for that 100 million naira when Oshomole give Madam Blackie Omorege. If anyone there, when he share the money for, make it come with proof. Make it come out with proof to counter waiting at the talk now. This is 100 million naira that we are talking about. It's taxpayers' money. It's not Madam Blackie Omorege's money. It's a State government money. 100 million. Today, this is the petition where we petition for EFCC. This is the petition. Because of the 100 million naira, this is a petition from EFCC. This is a petition, Commissioner of Police Edo State. This is another petition, ICPC. This is another petition, Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Please set up committee to investigate Madam Blackie Omorege. This is another petition, Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. We know you hate oppression. This matter concern you well. Set up committee to find out how many women for 3 senatorial districts this 100 million reach their hand. This is another petition to the Chief of Staff, Edo State. This is another petition, DSS, Edo State Command. This is another petition to investigate how many people this 100 million Blackie share for. Yes, we all know that local governments, they are in charge of market, not Madam Blackie Omorege. This is a petition to the local government through the office of DSS in Orado. They should call Blackie for questioning. We want to know how many women in Edo Central, Edo North, and Edo South benefit for the 100 million when Oshomole give her 2013, June 25th. That is why we dey protest, and we will continue to protest until we get justice. And Madam Blackie, be rest assured that we are going to court. The human rights community, we will take you to court if you don't bring proof. When you bring all this proof for people you share the money with, their statement of account, their names and number, and the people physically, we want to see them that you disburse this 100 million for. Madam Blackie, take note that you sent me to help you to announce inside our market for people to come to this program. And we carried 12 buses that was carrying 10 women on that day. That is all over 100 women to Emmanuel Hall. After a month, when the drivers don't give me embarrassment inside market tire, now you take call me, give me 100,000 to give the bus driver, and you are still only 20,000 naira since 2013. Take note of that. So adult people all over the world, Iyagba must be disbanded. Iyagba is worse than land grabbers. Iyagbas, they are worse than political godfathers. They are the one doing junior inside our market. That is why today in the Edo market we have a lot of tickets, a lot of taxes that is not going to government. It's not government that is responsible for this multiple taxation and hardship. It's Iyagba, but the Edo State government need to do the needful. The way you disband Okagele, we want the government to disband Iyagba. So Ahmed Johnson,
yes,
you are very welcome.
Thank you.
He's the Secretary General, ESA Agenda Movement Worldwide. He's a researcher, and it takes us 8 years to bring this Blackie matter to table. 8 years. I just want that very day when Oshomole give am this 100 million. I know all the information there in your possession. I just want you to share to all our viewers all over the world. May they hear wetin Oshomole tell them. Edo people, Edo State government, Madam Blackie, underline wetin I want talk so. Oshomole not give 100 million to Edo Market Women Association. No. Oshomole say Edo State women, Edo State women, what they do, what they sell inside market, Edo traders. Now he give the 100 million. So read, make them hear.
Yes, so our people, we know we need to bring evidence of this money, say 2-3 pass hand. And Oshomole himself that day, now he announced him. Where he for announce this money matter now, where he attend the reception where they organize for Emagwere, where Edo State women organize for him, Edo State traders organize for him to receive him. So along the line, Nike promised and say he go give them 100 million naira. That money na to add to their business. He said na revolving loan grant, interest free and not refundable loan grant. They not give them, make them pay them back. Now to help them boost their business as the business day. So now you take give them that 100 million.
Just
so may I read wetin how be the media take carry am for that period. If you go to the Citizen, of the 25th of 2013, July 25th of 2013, the Citizen na so it take na they listen to what I want to na so they take report and go find am go and go see am. He said why I gave 100 million naira to Edo market women.
Okay, listen. Oshomole na dey talk so. Oshomole na dey talk say why I give 100 million naira to Edo market women. Underline Edo market women, not Edo Market Women Association. No. Go ahead.
Again, I take it again. Why I gave 100 million to Edo market? Why I gave 100 million to Edo market women Oshomole? That was 25th of July 2013. The Citizen had a report on. He said Governor Adams Oshomole of Edo State, Thursday, that was a day before that day when this paper report this thing. That incident, that reception happened on the 24th of July. 24th of July for Emagwere Hall. Now he received the market, Edo market women receiver for Emagwere Hall, where he made that announcement. So Governor Adams Oshomole of Edo State, Thursday, said he decided to give 100 million to market women in the state because they have been crucial to the sustenance of democracy in the state. Now that is the reason he give, because they are crucial to the democracy and the sustenance of democracy in the state. Then he give them that 100 million naira to support their business. The state government, he can say Oshiomhole, who spoke at a reception organized for him by market women across the state.
Across the state. Take note. Madam Blackie Omorege, take note. Madam Blackie Omorege, take note. Oshiomhole say why he bring this 100 million naira. Now the recession where market women, Edo market women organize for them for the 3 senatorial districts across the state. So that money, that 100 million, Madam Blackie, is not for Edo Market Women Association. That 100 million naira is for Edo State Market Women for 3 senatorial districts. Continue.
Oshiomhole, who spoke at a reception organized for him by market women across the state, also asked them to forward names of 20 candidates to government for board appointment.
Okay. Oshiomhole also tell the Madam Blackie that was fronting bringing women for 3 senatorial districts to Imagbero on that day, 25th of July 2013, for 24th of July 2013, make it bring those state market women 20 where they want give appointments, Edo people all over the world. This appointment, who Madam Blackie submitting it for government at that time?
Nobody.
It's a question that I want to leave for Edo people and Oshiomhole. Madam Blackie, see, this is just this one are the number 1 where would they talk so. All the atrocity we don't do for all the market for Edo State, one by one, will they tell Edo people and the traders? Go ahead.
According to the governor, the state government will give the market women 100 million and you people know best to share it to support your business. This money should be rotated among yourselves and you do not have to pay back to the government. Also forward 20 names to the chief of staff. We will put them in various boards under Edo State government because this government is your own and you must participate in it. Now part of wetin our governor dey talk that day, as our mothers and our sisters individually and collectively, you carry our message of hope across the 192 world. You canvass for support, enlightening the people on what we are doing right, and even with the promise to do more. At the end of the day, the people listened, they voted, and ACN won 18/18.
That is Oshiomhole.
You did
that
this
speaking now
before, and you have done it again.
Thank
on
you.
The basis of what is good for
Edo
because he noted.
Thank you. That is Oshiomhole, where they talk to Madam Blackie and the 3 senatorial districts, all the women will come that day for Urobota Hall. Why he dropped the 100 million? Why he dropped the 100 million for Edo State market women across the state? So, Madam Blackie, your petition, we petition you be say, the Secretary General will read our demands so that may you go dey prepare. May you go dey prepare. Tell your lawyers, tell your people, may you go dey prepare, because I said this battle is not going to be easy between Comrade Lucky or Rugbe and versus Madam Blackie Omorege. We no dey talk lie, we dey work with facts. We have all your facts in our hand, and inside the 3-4 facts where we get, now one we don't release. We don't petition today to EFCC, ICPC, all these are the petition to the governor, to DSS, to Commissioner of Police, to Chief of Staff, to Deputy Governor. We have submitted this petition. So now it is very clear. Me don't go Edo North. I don't see any woman when it tests for that 100 million. I don't go Edo Central. I don't see any woman when it tests for that 100 million. For Edo South here, I never see who test for that 100 million. Apart from 100,000 where you give me, after 1 week, after 1 month, what they go pay drivers, what they mobilize all over 100 women from New Benin come in Magwedo Hall. To my best of knowledge, I never see anybody at all. So why are they do this one? You don't tell when we they do your research. We need proof. So that if we go court, we will see waiting tender. Now make a reach like this. Go ahead. Your demands, Madam Blackie Omorege, this is the Traders Welfare Union and the Human Rights Community. Human Rights Community demands. Thank you. Go ahead.
Just the demand.
Yeah, the demand. All right, give them the full story.
Okay, now may I read the petition today where we submit
to EFCC.
It said call to investigate the 100 million naira grant received by Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame on behalf of Edo State market women donated by Edo State government under Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole in 2013. Embezzlement of same grant suspected, hence this petition. So the body of the letter carry go like this. Say I, Comrade Loke Orukpe, President Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, on behalf of Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria and Edo market women in the Tiri Senatorial District of Edo State, I wish to call on the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, ICPC, and other relevant stakeholders to launch a financial investigation against one Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame as the above subject matters refers. I, Comrade Loke Orukpe, was fully aware of the above mentioned grant for Edo market women. I also mobilized over 100 Edo market women across the state with the knowledge and consent of Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame to the venue of the reception of Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole, organized by the Edo State market women across the state in 2013. The Edo State government gave 100 million revolving interest-free and non-refundable grant to market women in Edo State to boost their trade. This purported grant for Edo market women was released to Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame on behalf of the market women in Edo State. I have made series of investigation for the past 8 years to know the beneficiaries of this grant in the 18 local government area of Edo State. Yet I have not found a single market woman who did receive the grant. Therefore, Edo market women, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria members inclusive, strongly believe that the said grant was mismanaged and embezzled by Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame, who received Edo market women grant meant to better the lives of Edo market women in the state in 2013. Hence, we make bold to demand from the above commissions and other relevant stakeholders to ask for the full statement of account of all the Edo market women who are the beneficiaries of the grant from Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame in the below order for record purpose. 1. Verifiable names of the beneficiary of the grant. 2. Verifiable account numbers of the beneficiaries of the grant. 3. Valid telephone numbers of the beneficiary of the grant. 4. Number of market women from each senatorial district of Edo State that benefited from the grant. 5. An audited statement of account for the disbursement of the grant to Edo market women in the state. Inability of Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame to present this important document for verification and validation means that the grant was actually mismanaged and embezzled by her. I shall be very grateful if this petition is given the due attention it deserves. Thanks for your usual cooperation and visage understanding in this matter. Signed, President.
Yes. Edo must move forward.
Yes, sir.
Edo must move forward. I have promised to expose every bad market leaders. All these people wey dey collect money for inside Edo market, smiling to bank, building houses every day, they are worse than the land grabbers. Madam Blackie Omorege, the 100 million naira wey the Oshomola give you on the 24th of July 2013. This is the petition where we don petition you and you also hear the demands. So Edo people all over the world, what we are trying to do, we want to make sure that our market, there is price control. No Iya Egbe that will cause pain to traders, because the Traders Welfare Union, we have been doing humanitarian service since 1997. Nobody is paying us. It's only God that we believe on. I don't belong to any political party. I belong to good governance. That is why we throw our support for Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Having submitted this petition to the EFCC to investigate Madam Blackie, how many women that benefit from this 100 million in the 3 senatorial districts, we hereby call all Edo market women to continue to be at alert, that they should not allow Blackie Ogiame Omodege to oppress them. Blackie Ogiame is a coordinator of one association. The name of that association is Edo Market Women Association. Are you hearing me? That 100 million was not given to that association. The 100 million was given to Edo State Market Women. So we are calling all our coordinators in all markets in the 18 local government of Edo State, the 3 senatorial districts, to begin to monitor the activities of bad market leaders in our market. Thank you. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union, and the report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. I'm a Johnson. Hold on, I'm a Johnson.
Yes.
Your last word.
My last word for our audience. I beg, this one not be say we withhold anybody. We want to make sure we ride our state of all Iya Egbe, Abi Epa Egbe, whoever they be, where they make things difficult for our traders in the market. Our traders are going through a lot. They go pay tax, they go pay for
money for grant,
they go pay all sorts of things, and yet they go undergo inhuman treatment under the name of say they one Iya Egbe day or one Iya Egbe not day where they give the we go give am support. Meanwhile, we never hear any of these Iya Egbe wey dey our market. Anyone wey dey fight for trader, na how e go bad for trader, how e go bad for trader, na they do. Can you imagine 100 million not be 100 naira, not be 100,000 o, not be 1 million we dey talk o. We are talking of 100 million wey go fit change a whole food traders lifestyle, change their trade, change whoever has more that money reach anybody hand wey be trader, e go still add value to a market. That money just go back pocket, they sweep under the carpet. For 8 years, 8 years, we dey do research. We don travel all the length and breadth of Edo State, ask traders for different market. How many of them receive in short, as they talk about na that day they know about the thing. They don't ever hear of am before. For 8 years, we don do am. To the extent say we don get our data, get fact and information on ground say this money was never disbursed. So we are calling on the EFCC, the ICPC, and other relevant stakeholders to step into this matter and make the necessary inquiry. Find out who are these people that receive this money. What are their names? What are their phone numbers? What are their bank accounts? Is there any audited statement of account to cover all this expenditure where the Madam Blackie do? This is what we want to know. If these things are supplied, or it can tender them to the EFCC, EICPC, and other relevant stakeholders, and they see and say, correct, he disbursed this money, we have no problem. That is to say our suspicion was wrong. But in the absence of any of such thing, say no see and bring. Let me say we made bold to say our allegation is too much right. Therefore, we call on all stakeholders to probe this matter. Even the state governor, find out how 100 million waka for your state. Now taxpayers money they gather give trader. to dey use take boost their market. Only one person or two people just put am for back market. Who is responsible for it? Is it that only Madam Blackie was involved? Were there other people involved? Who else was involved? Who shared from this money? I bet this is what our prayer all demands, that the EFCC and all stakeholders, the ICPC, investigate this matter and make it known to the public that yes, wetin we dey talk na true or na lie. Thank you very much.
Yes, in addition to that, my brother, we are moving a motion from the human rights community that Iya Egbe should be disbanded in Edo market.
Supported.
Iya Egbe need to be disbanded for Edo market.
Supported.
This Iya Egbe matter, we go carry am come tomorrow. By tomorrow, we go carry am come. They don cause a lot of pains to traders for Edo State. The 100 million naira when we dey talk about so, Madam Blackie, the petition wey Traders Welfare Union and the human rights community dey petition you na for you to show us proof people when you share this money give for 3 senatorial districts. Is that clear? So EFCC, this is the petition. We expect you to hurry up and please investigate Madam Blackie. Not be only politicians dey thief money. ICPC, this one are the one wey we submit for now. Madam Blackie, bring back the 100 million. Commissioner of Police, this one are the one we submit to you. You people should do the needful. Yes. Executive Governor Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the only way can see governor worldwide. See, we don't petition Madam Blackie for your table. We want to see, say, you set up committee to investigate Madam Blackie for the 100 million when the Oshomola gave her 2013 to share for Edo market women for 3 senatorial districts. Who benefit? How they take pay the money? Now through account, I've been a hand to hand, make it bring proofs. The deputy governor, this matter go touch you well. We want to know whether Madam Blackie disburse this money reach Edo North. We want to know whether disburse reach Edo South or whether disburse reach Edo Central. This one are your own petition Madam Blackie for your office. Chief of Staff, yes, Chief of Staff, you be person wey hate oppression well and injustice. This one, now the petition wey go your office, we'll take petition Madam Blackie, now be this. Yes, the director, SSS, Edo State Command, DSS, this is the petition. Make una invite her, make una investigate her, no una investigate Madam Blackie Omorege. Yes, now local government, now in get market, we can't do without them. We also petition to the Oredo local government through the office of the DSS there. See, now be this one. Yes, Edo people all over the world will continue to try our best to make extortion free for our markets, to put a stop to demonic unionism inside our market and outside the market. So thank you and God bless you. And viewers all over the world, try to share the video. The phone number is there to reach us, +234 8053 84 1781 +234 8053 84 1781. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. I'll be human rights. I'll be report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria.